Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today, Chad and I are going to drive and check out this 1976 Firebird Formula. Good sounding car.
It's a great sounding 400 in this one.
It is. This is another one that's just very original.
Yeah. Came in, it had the, you know what, it had some aftermarket rims on it when it came in as well. We put these PMDs on it. No, I really like the look of it. We had these sitting around. I thought it turned out great.
Yeah.
Riley buffed this one. It's got air conditioning. And I know you didn't know much about it. You haven't been behind the wheel of this one yet, but I'll tell you what, it runs and drives fantastic.
Excited.
As soon as it came off the trailer, I was very impressed with it. Look at the bottom of the hood. This original paint down here. Very clean, very solid. Undercarriage is awesome on this one. Make sure you go on our website, coyoteclassics.com, and check out how solid the floors, frame rails, and trunk are. Car has had one repaint. Looks like it's all original paint on the inner fenders.
It's got a really nice cam.
Yeah, it does. Those wheels look good on it too. Those wheels came in on a 69 Firebird. I thought they were just too big for it on that car, but they fit on this one really good. Power steering, air conditioning, power brakes. I love the 400 with the dual hood scoops. You know, a lot of Trans Ams, a lot of Firebirds, not quite as many of the formulas.
You really don't see them very often. It's awesome. We have two right now. We have this one's going on the site, and then a silver one that'll be going on the site probably next week.
I think the silver is a 74.
Yeah, but it's still got the formula hood. And
you know what, and this is a great looking car. Nice dark maroon red paint with a white vinyl top, white interior. And like I said, very nice options. Disc brakes on the front. And again, when I was mentioning on the formula, most people opted for the Trans Am. If you spent more than you would have on just a basic Firebird, a lot of them checked the boxes and went with the Trans Am. So the formula, the middle one, was just pretty much, you know, glanced over. A few little tiny chips right on the body line right here. Very small. It's got the door edge guard. Looks like that's just came a little loose there. Corner of the door is awesome. Paint on the door jambs, they were all redone, and at that time they did new rubbers. Door panels original. If you look here, you got a little crack in the plastic, couple chips in the plastic, but all in all, a really decent interior.
yeah, it is what you said, just very original.
And like I said, they did a nice job on the repaint. They did a great job on the door jams. Pulled the doors
This is like a little
off of
cover the guy had on that dash. It's not cracked, but it's just got a little fade. I kept it in there in case the next guy wants to put it on, but
yeah, I mean, it's not cracked. Like you said, it does have some fade over the time, but the rest of the dash is in great shape. Even the wood grain. Got an AM/FM radio. That all looks nice and stock. Seats are good. You got a couple little spots. There's a little tiny crack right here. A little puncture wound of some kind. I'm going to open that up.
yeah.
Hard to do that with the camera. Got the overhead seat belts, back door panels, back seats in good shape as well. Headliner appears to be all original. Vinyl tops, good. It's original vinyl top, ain't it?
Looks like it.
Good one there, D. Bottom of the door lines up nice. Bottom of the fender. Does have a couple rust bubbles right here. I'm also saying it because someone can say, oh, it's rust, right?
Yep.
A couple of bubbles right here in the back quarter. Other than that, I mean, the paint looks good here on the passenger side. Back bumper is excellent. Spoiler lines up good here. And behind the rear window is good. Package tray is nice. Glass looks really nice and clear.
Find the right
Look at that, huh?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
They did a nice job here.
Yeah,
The
they did.
jams again. Just like in the doors. I mean, they still looks wet, doesn't it?
Yeah, they jammed it nice.
Got the original mat here. Look at that. Still has the original mat. Carpet over that. You can leave that door open. As far as the quarter panel here, excellent. Over the wheel well is nice. As far as the wheels go, they are 18-inch 245, 45 18s. The dogleg area is great. Let's look at the dash, the steering wheel. It's got tilt wheel, and it does come with some extra parts as well. It has the original steering wheel comes with it. There's 2 totes of stuff that comes with it, just
nice.
little odds and ends. But I noticed in that had the original steering wheel.
Nice. As you already mentioned, door jamb paint still looks wet. Corner of the door is awesome.
Still has the factory VIN number on the sticker there. Really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Nice job on that. So very solid car. I did the same thing you did.
Yeah, big old heavy doors.
They
still
are.
did.
Had to slam this one, but it does fit good when you do that. Little tiny chip right there. Very solid. Bottom of the door is excellent. Front of the door lines up nice with the fender. You have to excuse me, guys. I got almost a little case of pneumonia last few days. So
I ain't gonna stop you from checking out the Firebird.
no, we're still gonna do. You still have to go to work, right?
Yep.
We don't stay homesick here at Coyote Classics.
Not if your last name's Austin,
I
anyway.
guess not. You better not. Okay. Here's what I liked about this car, dude. So, buzzer, seatbelt buzzer.
You like that? I hate them.
Well, I
buzzers.
like that you can
Shuts
tell
off.
it's a nice car.
Yeah.
It's an 89,938 original mile car. I have no doubt.
Tack works. The wood grain here is just awesome too.
It is, isn't it? I'll let you take over.
Yeah, I'll save
But
your
look
voice.
at the dash here. This is an AM/FM digital radio here.
Mm-hmm.
I did it again.
There's all your control space. See, it's got tilt wheel. We just called before we did this video and ordered a new windshield for it.
Yes. Yep. Brand new
It's
windshield.
got a couple chips in it, so it's gonna have a brand new windshield.
Wiper blades are new. Oil pressure's great. Temp gauge works. Tack works. Clock does not work. Volt gauge works, and fuel gauge works. Horn works as well. I'm just gonna shut it off to you to see if that.
Or here, I had it figured out. You just had to get to the radio.
Sounds like we got it.
Sounds like the radio works and it's turned all the way up. I don't know what the hell it's playing either. Some weird radio station.
Yeah. Crazy crap. Oh, there's a speaker right in here, D. It's a good idea, isn't it?
Nice. Yeah, we just got speakers.
What else you got? Nice in there. All right, the fan does not work.
Okay.
The AC is 100% complete. Everything moves freely, but so far the only thing I see that doesn't work is the fan. Look, even here, you can definitely tell it's original mile car. Look how clean that is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, 89,000. Even all just this plastic and kind of shape that's in is nice.
It's a damn nice car. One other thing, I thought it drove really good when I first got it, but when we did the check-in and the work ticket, the guys put all new plugs, wires, everything in it,
Nice.
complete tune. So I'm sure it even runs better now.
That sounds good.
It does sound good. I'm going to go through the gears with it once. That'll be better. We're going to start out in second. It'll be a heck of a lot better.
Oh yeah.
Can't be yawning,
Oh man,
D.
it's been a long day already.
It's got a nice choppy idle, doesn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, it sounds great. It sounds like a muscle car.
Temp gauge is working perfect. It's at about 130 right now, so. Idling about, I'd say really about 600 RPM. So if a guy wants to turn the idle up, you can, but that's in gear. So I kind of like that little chop to it.
I like it too. Nice shift.
It runs really good. There it is, the third. As far as the alignment's good. It looks like the steering wheel could go over about 1/8 of a turn. Here's your brakes.
perfect.
Brakes are really nice on it. The power steering feels good. The steering wheel feels nice. Like I said, the alignment's great.
Yeah, it drives and handles awesome. Sweet little car.
Looks like we need the kick tone adjusted. That's 75 or whatever. I mean, so it'll get up and go.
Oh yeah. Yeah, really good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Anything else to say about her?
No, I like it inside and out, man. It's a good driver.
Awesome. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.